Hello guys, welcome back to MJ Crypto, and right in today's video is going to be a very interesting session. Stick with me to the very end of this video so you don't miss out on anything I'm going to be talking about. Okay, so right about now I'll be showing you a secret strategy on how to spot a coin that will perform very well in a couple of days. Okay, now once you see this signal, just know that that coin will skyrocket in the couple of days. Okay, give it some time, it's going to skyrocket because a lot of persons have been talking about it. All right, so now before we delve into this video, I want to say that there's good news. Okay, I have good news for my subscribers. Now every Monday right here on MJ Crypto, I'm going to be doing something very interesting. I'll be posting and sharing with you coins that are most likely to perform well for that week. Okay, so if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on this valid information. All right, good. So now the very first thing we want to do with this strategy is to go to the Play Store and download an app. Okay, an application is going to show us the exact coin that is that has a high metrics of volume or discussion around social media or the world at large. In other words, most persons are talking about that coin, and you know when the buzz is high, the price tends to go up because most people will start investing in that coin. So now let's go to the Play Store and see this app we're actually talking about. Now the app is called Lunar Crush. Okay, LUNARCRUSH, Lunar Crush. So you just simply download it and register. It's free, totally free. Okay, and this is going to help you when you are trading on futures, spot trading, and so on and so forth. As a matter of fact, I actually found out a coin recently from this app, and that coin gave me more than 800%. No lies, no jokes. I'm not kidding. I'm not capping. 800% profit. I did a 10x on that coin on leverage, and boom, I caught it at the right point when it was about to shoot up. In other words, I caught it exactly at breakout. All right, so you too, you can do this and make some good profit every day. Okay, so now I'll just open the app. You can see here we have board, we have market. There are different sections here. We have discover, feeds, opinions, like that. All right, but in this, what we'll be talking about is the discover. So I'll just click on discover and let's wait for it to populate. Okay, let's wait for it to populate. Good. Now you can see here under the discover section, right? It says coin of the day. Very interesting. Coin of the day. Now see here that the day is the Dogecoin. What I'm telling you is that the amount of people talking about Dogecoin is so large. I mean, the metrics, the volume metrics is so large in social media and all parts of the world. Okay, people are talking. It's the most talked about coin. Okay, Dogecoin. So because it's most talked about, people will start investing in this project in a couple of days. It may not even be up to a day. People will just watch Dogecoin. The price will start skyrocketing. Okay, in a couple of days. Just watch it closely. Why? Because this coin has been listed as the coin of the day. So now in this website, or rather in this application called Lunar Crush, every 24 hours, you can see the time ticking here. You can see the time. Every 24 hours, they update this list. Okay, before it was I think it was Zeal. Okay, that was here before. So now let me go back and show you what I'm talking about. So guys, you can see clearly that this is the Zeal BUSD or USDT pair, whichever one you choose to use. Okay, you can see how well it rose. Okay, just look at the spike. Look at this spike right here. Look at the spike. Okay, so basically once you see that a particular coin has been listed on Lunar Crush as the coin of the day, there's a sign that that coin is about to shoot up. It's going to go to the moon as quickly as possible. So as a smart investor, what you do, you quickly buy on your spot wallet. If the coin is traded on futures, trade with a low leverage. Don't be greedy. Trade with a low leverage, and then you are good to go. You are fine. So my name is Emmanuel. Right in this channel, we give tips on how to make money with crypto space. most especially on Binance Futures Trading. Okay, so do well to subscribe, share this video with your loved ones, your friends, and then drop right here in the comment section any topic you would want me to talk about. Okay, drop it here right in the comment section so that I know, and then work